Hi everyone, let's explore MagicSchool together. Okay, this is MagicSchool AI powered website, and you could see that you could create lesson plans, multiple choice assessments, rubric generator, and YouTube video questions. And let's start off with lesson plan. So you could see that you could select a grade level and type in your standards. I just copied and pasted this curriculum standards for science and pasted it here. And I have added additional criteria. Students will be able to measure wind speed and wind direction using appropriate tools. Students will be able to explain how to measure wind direction using a windsock. Okay, this is again the standards. And let's click on generate. All right, so this is the lesson plan. Objectives: students will be able to explain how to measure wind speed and wind direction assessment, demonstrate their understanding by creating a windsock, and explain how it can be used to determine wind direction. Key points: understanding wind speed, wind direction, identifying tools used to measure wind speed and wind direction, explain how a windsock works, apply knowledge to interpret weather conditions. Okay, so this is opening. What you could do is to show a short video, generate wind speeds affecting objects, and ask students, have you ever wondered how we know which way the wind is blowing? Okay, so this is a great question. Introduce the new material, guided practice, independent practice, and closing. Oh, so here we also have an extension activity for suggestion, homework for suggestion, and standards. And wow, providing next generation science standards, represent data in tables, graphic displays to describe typical weather conditions expected during a particular season, and common core standards for ELA literacy, write informative explanatory text to explain a topic and convey ideas and information clearly. Wonderful. Okay, I'm not going to give it a feedback. So based on this lesson, we could also create a rubric. Okay, so this is the same prompts. Okay, and let me generate this rubric and see how it works. All right, wonderful. So the criteria is windsock design, wind direction identification, and creativity and presentation. So I would like to ask it to simplify the language for third grade ESOL students to understand and use for self-evaluation. Okay, let's see if this works. All right, so the language is simplified, and let's see, wind direction identification. The student can accurately identify which way the wind is blowing using windsock, and can explain how the windsock work. Okay. Windsock design. The windsock is made very well with a lot of attention to detail. It is the right size and the shape and to measure wind direction. So pretty good. Creativity and presentation. So you could see that a rubric could be easily created using this tool, and we can explore other the YouTube video questions, and I am multiple choice. Okay, multiple choice, and I'm going to generate. Okay, so this is wind measurement tools. What tool is used to measure temperature? What unit of measurement is used in the United States to measure temperature. Okay, so these are, and the answer keys are here. Okay, so far so good, but for this tool, YouTube video questions, I think it would be more useful if we could choose the segments in which we want the questions to be generated from in the video. So, but if you try Quizalize, there are selection options in Quizalize. So if you want to create YouTube video questions, perhaps use Quizalize. It's more user-friendly than the YouTube video questions option provided here on MagicSchool. But overall, I really like the lesson plan idea and generate rubric generator within 1 second. And we have MagicSchool for students' ideas. And I think there's one more thing I'd like to explore, which is called choice board right here. Okay, let's see the topic. Okay, let me copy my copy my topic, or rubric or standards here, and I'm gonna generate this. Okay, so here's the wind speed and direction choice board. These are suggestions what you can do for this unit. Build a windsock, measure wind speed, draw a wind rose, observe wind patterns, interview a meteorologist, talk to a meteorologist and ask them how to measure wind speed and direction. Make a wind vane, okay, and measure wind at different heights, create a weather report, investigate wind energy. So these are wonderful ideas. All right, so I hope you enjoy exploring MagicSchool with me, and tell me what you think after you try. Leave it in the comments area. Thank you.